Guess where am I going?
It's raining a little bit, just like drizzling, but I have this umbrella on me. And I'm going to the shop to have internet. The reception where we are staying at is poor, but the shop isn't too far, so I just have to walk for like a few minutes and then I'll get there. Then my main goal today is to post out the video so I can keep updated on you guys on a regular basis every week. It is still raining out here. I just posted out that video. The Coffins family, they're so nice. He just let me, came straight in and gave me a spot to sit. The internet worked as well too. Everyone is so friendly. Love it. I'm gonna go back to the camper.
Week, go tell the mayor. Head up, I'm temping. I'm not a temp. I'm a sub.
He knows the mileage, Ferris. He doesn't trust you. Never has, never will.
It has been raining the whole day, almost. But now it's just like drizzling. So it's good that we got to come out for a little bit. Whenever it rains, you can see the fog, like just spotty kind of fog. They're still eating grasses. This new horse just came in today. We are having that lasagna for dinner tonight, the one we made together. Yeah. Bye-bye, horsies. Bye-bye.
Well, that's a hand side now.
Just these little white things are for.